How can we store the user's response in a variable? This is important because, for example, I've made an agent that says press 1 for more. I send 1 and it will detect if I've pressed 1. If it detects I pressed 1, it'll send me I don't care. There it is. I don't care. So how can we store that variable? Variables aren't just numeric. They can be any type. For this, we'll go to the listen section and create a new workflow. I'd like to remove this one, put it aside somewhere else. I'm not sure if... Let's delete this. We hit start, then go to listen and select capture. Now, as you see, we're selecting an entity to capture. Entities are just variables, that's all. We click the plus sign to create an entity. As you can see, we can choose the color. It's cool for organization and such. Types like name, age, URL, date, phone, etc. Let's use the simplest, name. We can name this variable like username. As you'll see, we have the values section. Here we can input the entity's value. We'll add 10 examples. First, last random names. We hit create entity. Now I'll make a message. I'll add a message. It says use cloud adapters. We add a cloud adapter. Put username. There it is. It'll say hi blah blah. Now we'll do, can't put it below, no. Watch this, I'm going to hit test your region. Since I'm not asking any questions, I'll just input my name directly. I'll just call myself Mike, and he'll respond with, hello Mike. That's what it should do, in theory. Could you please provide your full name, including both, and, well, for first and last name, I'll say Mike Tyson, just for kicks. Now he'll say, hello Mike Tyson. So that's what it's going to do for us. As you can see, we have the option to auto reprompt if we don't answer exactly as expected, which I think is what happened to me. I think if I'd given both names initially, it wouldn't have asked again. I'll test that. Well, it asks anyway. If disabled, we'll need to input the prompt manually. Okay, let's see. We ask, could you provide your first and last name? We'll generate 5 variables. Let's see how it handles this now. Okay, it'll start with hi and ask for the name. So this is a simple way to store information and to reuse it later. That's it. Pretty straightforward.